Hello loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you very much for stopping by, for clicking this video. So please use your headphones, just because the sound might not be what you expect it to be. But it's been a long time I sat down in front of my camera and had an opinion about anything, and I'm like, Melody, what have you been doing? Actually, I've been offline for a while, and not like totally offline, like no social media, not that kind, like no YouTube uploading, just because like I've been busy like a lot right now. I'm also at work, like I'm still busy, but I just thought about it. I'm like, no, I can't keep doing this to myself. Like, I have to come up here and let you guys know that you're appreciated. Like, I haven't had anybody unsubscribe from my channel ever since I left, even though I've not been giving you guys anything quality at all, and I still appreciate it. So I'm like, no, I have to like keep doing this, whether I'm prepared or not. Like, do it. I have to like keep doing it. So that's why I'm posting this video now. Like, you guys should just know that I highly appreciate the subscribers and the views and everything. And thank you guys for checking up on me, even though you did not. Actually, nobody checked up on me. I'm just saying because it feels good to say it. So thanks for checking up on me. Basically, this video is just to let you guys know that I am back to YouTube. I know I've said this like a million times and it's not funny anymore, but I'm back to YouTube, and basically I'll just start posting unedited videos and unscripted videos. For the most, I'll be taking my topics from the internet, which means that I'm going to be giving you guys unsolicited, unpopular opinions, like on topics that are trending online or something like that. I know that that's kind of weird. Only to the fact that my channel was supposed to be about vibes, business, and all that. But it's not bad now and then to like have an opinion. And since I'm not going to like be putting in so much effort into editing, this is like the next best thing I could do, since I could just stop like unscripted and make the video look better. So basically that's what I'll be doing. So if you're interested in an opinion, or the opinion of one YouTube girl like that, please go ahead and click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and leave a comment and let me know that you're watching me and you appreciate my effort, please, because I'm putting so much effort. Actually, not right now, but and being offline, I've been trying to learn how to understand YouTube and how to navigate through it, and I think that I'm doing pretty well. Just that I need to start creating a schedule, which means I need to like have that timetable for myself, so I'll be able to know what to do and when to do it. Okay, so basically that's it. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I promise I'm not going to leave you guys stranded. I'm able to start posting videos every single day. Quote me on that, okay? Actually, don't. I'm not promising. I'm not promising anything, but I really do want to post videos every day. So if I can, I definitely will. Okay, it's not easy like filming and then uploading. Since I will be editing, I will not say it's not easy editing. So filming and uploading may not be the easiest thing to do, but definitely I'm going to make sure that I do that. So today is Saturday. This video will be coming up like tomorrow. Yeah, this video will be coming up tomorrow, which is Sunday. So expect this video on a Sunday, and subsequent Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and all that good stuff. So more of my face on your screen. Please go ahead and subscribe once again. Thank you very much. My name is Melody, actually, in case you did not know me, and I can't even put my name on the screen because I did this video, I don't have strength. So basically you just make do with that. The name of my channel is my name across all social media platforms, so go ahead and check me out if you're interested. But if you're not, just subscribe to my channel. All right, bye. I'll see you guys like tomorrow. All right, bye.